What is up? Starting off the day at a bin store. I'm always at bin stores, right? $2. And let's see what I find. Yep. So bin stores, I'll probably hit up all three. And then let's see, Walmart, Sam's Club. Who knows? Who knows where we'll go? Oh, I gotta stop at Dollar Tree because I've been merchant fulfilling Arm & Hammer body wash, a 3-pack. I've sold it like 5 times already. I don't even own the product and it's sold like 5 times. And I got the buy box on that for merchant fulfilled, so that could always be something I send in the future, but that's a lot of plastic wrap to make the 3-pack, so maybe I'll just keep merchant fulfilling. It's fun. It gives me something to do. All right, let's get into this video. Check out my new intro. So I grabbed some costumes regardless if they had a good rank or not. It's Halloween and all this stuff's gonna sell. So yeah, here it is. It's a psychology thing. You start grabbing boxes and everybody around you thinks that it's worth something also. So they start grabbing them too. So I had to grab as much as I could. These are 12 packs right here. Classic. They sell for around $4.90, $5 on Amazon. Holy diver, you've been down too long in the midnight sea. So if you're new here, let me know in the comments below. Let me know if you just subscribed. This is a bin store. I go to bin stores all the time. There's 3 of these in my city, so I go to those 3 all the time. I also shop retail stores and do retail arbitrage. Check this out. They sell for $55 on Amazon. Price tag $85. Cuba Vera. Nothing's wrong with them. Easy money. We got a straggler. One left behind. Let's take that. Don't mind if we do. Man, this is way too easy. Next store. Check out the power of Amazon. That's all merchant fulfilled orders right there. I look like I'm Santa Claus carrying this bag of goodies. So I almost threw some UPS orders into the USPS mail. And I asked the guy what happens if they do go through. He said they get sent back to your address. But I think I've done that before. And I've never had an issue or people complaining about their packages. So, damn, my car makes that stupid noise. I think it's some sort of relay or whatever you call that. All right, let's continue. Okay, I sell these all the time. And so far I grabbed this costume. It sells for $15. But for 2, I'm gonna make money regardless. I don't know about this, let me scan this. It sells for $27 used, but I'll pass because of all that right there. All that funkiness going on. Looks like other resellers have been cleaning house on the book section. No. Sorry. Check this out. It has a high rank in office products. And it sells for $34 new and $31 used. So even though it's all beat up, I could put that in the description and the condition notes. And there's nothing wrong with this transparency film. I've never sold that before, but sells for $31. Let's get it. $2 today. So I found this phone. It's like new. The box is beat up, but it's got all the papers. It's got the phone cord. It's got this cord. And there's the headset. So I'm sure if I take that home and test it, it's gonna work. Oh look, it does work. At least we know the screen works. So yeah, sell it used on Amazon. This one sells for $29 on Amazon. There's only one seller, so it's probably the person that private labels this or had it created, this product. So either way, even I'm restricted, I can't sell it, but if I wasn't restricted, I wouldn't, because with one seller, they probably give you an IP claim. Damn, I already got a whole bunch, and these are only $2 a piece. What should I do? Shit. Should I buy them? I've sold 4 so far. I still got like 20 something of them. I'm gonna check this one out. I know it sells for like 70, 80 bucks new, but I'm wondering used, acceptable. It doesn't have its access code, so I'm gonna put it as acceptable. And it is, it's kind of like good, acceptable range. But let me scan it real quick and we'll see what's up. It only sells for 10 bucks used, so we're gonna leave that. All right, we got our last store, our last liquidation store. That one's $28. So I'm gonna grab that. Nothing else. Those aren't on Amazon, and I didn't check eBay or Mercari, but I guess I'll just leave them. Toy store. Even more of these cats. Check that out. I thought those Harry Potters would be good, but there's no sales rank, and Amazon is on the listing. And I checked Keepa, they have a bunch in stock, so that's a no-go for me. That's a $27 book. Probably sell it for like 25 used. This one's a instant seller, and it sells for $30 used. Ranked in the 7,000s in books. This next book I listed for $159. It sells every few months. I'm the lowest for used. I sold one of these yesterday for 24, 25 bucks. Let's take it, $2. What do we have here? It's gotta be like 50 to 70 bucks. It's all closed, except that one. But I could probably still sell it. I've done that before without the yellow. Let me look it up real quick. Well, the yellow's open, but never used. Still got the tab. It hasn't been punctured right there. So I could still sell that yellow. So I'm still gonna bring it. Sells for $44 brand new on eBay. I'll probably sell it in the low to mid 30s because of that yellow on eBay. I'm paying $2, so just gonna buy right here. And then I saw that easy 4 to 5 bucks. ASVAB right here is an easy 5 bucks. All 10 are in there, brand new, never used. This sells for 30 something bucks, brand new. Just a little bit damaged, so I'm sure we can still get money on eBay. Got a John Mayer. It's probably used, I don't know. It's in a plastic, but it sells like crazy on eBay. So we'll take that for $2. And another one sells for $49 brand new on Amazon. I'll have to check eBay. $49.99. This one sells for $19 used. I mean, not used, new on Amazon. So we gotta check eBay. $27 new, 21 used on Amazon. Let's take it. Hopefully these go good on eBay, because I can't sell this on Amazon. Let me check this one. We'll sell this for like 13 or 14 on eBay. Not too bad. Came to this little back section right here. See a bunch of product in these bins, and I don't take everything. That's what I'm taking to make money on. I'm in line ready to leave, and then there's some easy $35 ink right there. I looked at it, everything's sealed for $2. Why people work minimum wage, I don't know. So this is the part of the video where I go into Dollar Tree right there, and I pick up the items that I sold that I don't own yet. I'm gonna go purchase them, take them back home, ship them out. So I'm gonna show you what they are. Let's go inside. Now I need to get the Jet Puff marshmallows that I sold. Let's see where they're at. I remember they're at an end cap. There they are. I sold 6. Where's the expiration date? 2022. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And while we're at it, let me list that I have one more 6-pack of that. So yeah, it's a risk because you don't know if it'll still be here. But I've seen it at other Dollar Trees. So I'm just gonna I have one 6-pack, and if it sells, I should be good. This is fun. Damn, it's windy. That's a risk I took. People can go in, see this video, and crash the buy box. It's at $19.99 right now. I got the buy box, but because I'm making this video, I might not have that buy box anymore. But good content, right? It's a lot. People looking at me like I'm crazy. What does he need with all that body wash? I'm a big dude. You know it's hard out here for a reseller when you're trying to get the money for the rent. So check it out. 3 shampoos sold for $19.99. 3 shampoos sold for $19.99. Same here, same here. These are the 6 marshmallows right there. All this was stuff I did not have. I went to the store and bought it. I had to stop at the storage unit just for one item. That's what happens when you live with family. You have to get a storage unit. So I need to get myself a place of my own, so I can get rid of this storage unit, because I do mostly Amazon. And when I do my eBay stuff or Mercari, I could just have it in my house. Yep, I'm bald right now. Check out my YouTube short. Right there. Right there. Yeah, so wherever it's gonna be, check it out. It's my first big YouTube short because I got like 1,500 views. It shows 1,400 right there, but it's more than that. I'm just tripping out on all the hate I'm getting. I mean, I'm getting a good amount of likes, 40-something likes, but there's like 14 or 15 dislikes. Damn. To go out of your way and dislike somebody's video. I don't think I've ever disliked somebody's video, even if I don't like it. That's crazy.
Understand you're putting more awareness there. As you put awareness there, it's growing the electromagnetic energy around your body. And you're increasing this heart. You put that into what you do. I'd say do it 2 or 3 times.
They've been selling like crazy. So I'm just going to get them. I'm going to get them all. Today's a different day. The next day, actually. This is a different Dollar Tree too. I'll leave some. See how that goes. Thought I was gonna get them all, but no. Changed my mind again. I got them all. I don't even know how many I got.